Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the UMax app. First, download and install the UMax app from your device's App Store, which is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Next, create a new account using your email or log in if you already have one. Once inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, where you'll find quick access to all essential features and settings, typically laid out in a user-friendly interface. Now, let's explore the core features. You can access the primary tools through the navigation bar, usually located at the bottom or side of your screen, offering quick access to 5 key functionalities. To personalize your experience, tap on the settings icon, often represented by a gear, where you can adjust notifications, themes, and privacy preferences. Understanding these 3 main sections will help you navigate efficiently. To truly maximize your UMax experience, delve into the advanced functionalities. Discover how to utilize custom workflows, which can save you up to 20% of your time on repetitive tasks. Explore shortcuts and gestures, like a 2-finger swipe for quick actions, to navigate more efficiently. Seamlessly integrate UMax with other applications by connecting through the dedicated integration menu, enhancing your overall productivity and streamlining your digital life. Should you encounter any issues, the UMax app offers robust support. Access the Frequently Asked Questions section, which addresses over 50 common queries, for quick solutions. If you need personalized assistance, contact customer support directly through the in-app chat feature, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Additionally, a comprehensive in-app tutorial provides step-by-step guidance, ensuring you get the most out of your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.